Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Coinbase app verification code not received on your phone. And first, make sure your internet connection is working properly. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can stop the verification code from being delivered. Next, check that you've entered the phone number or email address correctly inside the app. Even a small mistake can prevent the code from arriving. If the app sends the code through email, make sure that you check your spam or trash folder. Sometimes the messages get filtered there. Now restart your phone and try requesting the verification code again. Some users accidentally block unknown numbers or disable SMS permission, so you should also remove any VPN connection because VPNs can sometimes interfere with verification systems. If the code is still not arriving, wait for a few minutes before trying again. Requesting too many codes in a short time may temporarily block new verification attempts. If available, try using the voice call verification method if available instead of SMS. You should also go to the App Store or your Play Store and then search for Coinbase and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, because outdated app versions can sometimes cause login and verification problems. Finally, if none of these methods work, contact Coinbase support directly and report the issue with your account or phone number. That's how you fix verification code not received. Subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.